Well, three hospitals in Alabama, Shelby Baptist, Princeton Baptist, and Monroe County Hospital, are soon closing their maternity wards.
And that news is renewing calls from some state lawmakers and health officials to close the health care coverage gap. News 19 State Capitol reporter Maddie Beer-Temple has the story.
The closure of these maternity wards is leaving some women with limited options and long drives to receive care. Alicia Bowen and her husband are preparing to welcome their son in December.
It's a boy. His name is Samuel Ian.
She's been going to Monroe County Hospital, a 5-minute drive from home, but she'll now have to drive an hour and a half to Mobile for care.
I feel disappointed. I feel like my plans have gone completely out the window.
Bowen says she's lucky she can make the drive, but knows not everyone can. She's worried what this means for her area and others expecting.
In Alabama, we're supposed to love babies, and it doesn't feel like mothers and babies are being loved when our hospitals are closing labor and delivery.
One of the challenges here is the overall financial situation of our hospitals.
Alabama Hospital Association President Dawn Williamson says uninsured adults make up about 15% of the state. In rural areas, it can be as high as 20%.
The analogy I would use is if you're a hotel and 20% of the people who stay in your hotel don't pay their bill, you're not going to be in business very long.
Williamson says without closing the coverage gap, the state will see more hospitals cut back or close. Alabama House Minority Leader Anthony Daniels says the state should consider expanding Medicaid.
We can't afford not to do it. I think we need to have real conversations, especially about women's health.
Daniels says expanding coverage would improve health outcomes for hundreds of thousands of Alabamians.
When they have access to adequate health care, it gives them an opportunity to do frequent checkups, preventative care. And that way, from a business standpoint, it makes perfect sense.
Now, Daniel says he thinks these closures may bring a renewed sense of urgency to the issue next legislative session, which starts in February. Reporting in Montgomery, Maddie Beer-Temple, News 19.